you're not already familiar with Ahrefs and the organic keyword tools in the platform, I'm going to kind of give you a breakdown of things here. So there's a couple ways you can find organic keywords in Ahrefs. First of all, you can come to the Keyword Explorer tool and then just type in whatever your main topic is, like the keto diet, or maybe we want to do like keto diet plan or something, like some sort of a seed keyword. That's going to then give us all these keyword ideas, and these are going to give us organic traffic volumes. That's the same one we're looking at, keto diet meal plan. Here we can right click and open this in a new tab. And we'll be able to see like the keyword difficulty, the search volume over time. Looks like the keto diet was a little bit more popular back in 2018, 2019. It has kind of fallen off here quite a bit. So if I was going to be building a business around this, I might be, looking something else to go after here. But this organic keyword data is extremely beneficial, right? We can see the traffic potential, who the number one ranked business is for that keyword. And then if we find a website that we're like, hey, this website's doing well for this industry, you can also just go to the dashboard and then type in the URL of that website. So I'm looking at Diet Doctor here. When I click search, it's going to give me a full overview, and you'll see the organic keywords option. And then if I open that, it will show me all the organic keywords that this business ranks for, or that this website ranks for, as well as the search volume, their position, like the location. You can actually do by location over here now. And so that'll essentially show you in which countries they're ranking for these different keywords and what position, and even, like sort of how they're showing up in the search results. So lots of really beneficial, helpful information about all of the organic keywords for either a website or a given topic, like keto diet plan. You can start to see all the related topics here. Pretty straightforward stuff. If there is anything you did have questions about, though, don't hesitate to reach out. You can just drop your questions in the comment section down below, and we'll be sure to get back to them there.
If you're like most new business owners, you're probably struggling to get your online presence established, let alone get it to the point where it's bringing you a consistent flow of customers, right? So that's why I created this free course where I actually walk you step by step through the whole process of setting up your online presence. This is the same process we've been using for our clients for over a decade in one of my agencies. And essentially, I'm going to show you how to set up an SEO-friendly business name right from the get-go, how to develop your website really quickly and easily, how to set up your Google Maps listing, start getting some Google reviews, everything you need in order to have a substantial online presence where people can actually start finding you and purchasing your products or services. The best part is I'm going to show you how to do it in under a couple of hours, and all for less than $50. If you're interested, I'll leave a link below where you can get signed up today. Make sure to check this course out for free right now, because I'm probably going to start charging for this at some point in the future. All right, I'll see you on the other side.